What's good, YouTube? Today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I had a family member ask me to... Come on, Peanut. Not today. Don't knock that down. I had a family member ask me to review a pair of running/walking shoes that they recently purchased. I have no clue where these are from. They look like they're actually from China Post. So they're somewhere in China, and it's just in a bag. It's not even in a box. Just a nice green little bag. And I'm gonna get my first impressions on them. As you can see, we got some bubble wrap, and these are not my size, so I'm not gonna be able to try them on. But I'm gonna take a little peek. What do we have here? Wait, what is this? Fashion professional skateboard shoe? What is this? Oh no. Yo. You know what happens, like sometimes you're scrolling through Instagram and you see them ads? This is the kind of stuff that comes from that. Or worse, maybe this is from like a little Facebook ad on the side. But check these bad boys out. Fashion professional skateboard shoe. You are, watch out, Peanut. You are 100% gonna be doing some kickflips in these. I do not know what brand this is. On the side, you have the pattern is about to take shape. So, I wish these were my size so I could try them on. Like the materials don't feel too bad. I don't know. The bottoms, they feel like bowling shoes. No, Peanut, do not knock that down. Girl, the people love you. But yeah. I would not recommend these. These have a broken ankle written all over them waiting to happen. What's up, girl? What's up? Show the people what's up. Here, get over there. But yeah. These look like some dollar store specials. I don't know how much they were. I'll put that in the description once I find out, but yeah. Let me give you a little sky view on these little materials. And until next time, YouTube, professional skateboard shoe. Yeah?